Welcome to this class. In this class, we'll be solving question on number of molecules of water or crystallization. Okay, I have question on the board. My name is Dr. Kingsley. Do subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Now, if you look at the question, it says on recrystallization, 20 gram of magnesium tetraoxo sulfate 6 forms 41 gram of magnesium tetraoxo sulfate 6 crystal, which by formula is MgSO4.YH2O. We are required to get the value of Y. That Y there simply means the number of molecules of water or crystallization. There is a formula to calculating the number of molecules of water or crystallization. Okay, I've given you the formula in my previous class on number of molecules of water or crystallization. In this video, I'm just trying to solve this question. So look for that video. However, as I continue, I will equally give you the formula. Now, look at this. They say on crystallization, 20 gram of the salt. The salt is what? MgSO4. But when it was recrystallized, it carries some water or crystallization and became MgSO4.YH2O. So the mass of the anhydrous salt, that is when it has not what? Crystallized to carry water of crystallization, it is MgSO4. The mass was 20 grams. Then the mass of the hydrated salt, that is when it has crystallized out with water or crystallization. Remember the formula is MgSO4.YH2O. Okay, the mass is what? Is 41 gram. What do you think will be the mass of water that was crystallized? The mass of water driven off, that is assuming we want to drive this water away so that it will remain the anhydrous salt. The mass of water when this is heated that will go off will actually be equals to 41 gram minus 20 gram, and that should give us 21 gram. That will be the mass of water. Okay, now having gotten this, if you want to solve to get our Y, the formula I gave us was that mass of water of a crystallization divided by the molar mass of hydrated salt. Molar mass of hydrated salt will be equals to mass of water driven off divided by mass of hydrated salt. So this is actually the formula that we will normally use to solve for the number of molecules of water of crystallization, which is Y in this case. Now let us wipe the board and apply this formula. Remember that the salt we are talking about is MgSO4.YH2O. So if you look at this compound, mass of water of crystallization in this compound is what? YH2O. That will give us the mass of water of crystallization. Then we'll divide it by the molar mass of the entire compound. That means the entire compound, the molar mass, which is MgSO4.YH2O. So when we do that, this ratio will give us the mass of water driven off. Mass of water driven off divided by the mass of the hydrated salt. Mass of hydrated salt. So if we do this, what will be the mass of water or crystallization? Remember, water is 18 grams because H2O is 1 times 2, okay, for hydrogen plus 16. So that will give us what? 18. So this will give us what? 18 for water. 18 multiplied by Y will give us 18Y. Okay, that will give us 18Y. All right, divided by the molar mass of this will be 24 for magnesium plus 32 for sulfur plus 16 times 4 for oxygen. Okay, then plus what? YH2O is 18Y. So that will give us the mass of water driven off. We got it to be 21 over the mass of the hydrated salt. Okay, mass of hydrated salt is 41. Okay, so when we do this, we have 18Y over, when we add this, we have 120 plus 18Y. That will give us 21 divided by, okay, 41, 0.5122, okay, by calculator. Now, if we have this, we can now solve for Y. We can cross multiply. What we'll do is what? This is over 1. So we can do this times this, then this times this. So we'll be having 0.5122 multiplying 120 plus 18Y. So that will give us what? 18Y. Now this multiplied by this, we need calculator. Okay, that will give us 61.464. Then plus this multiplied by 18Y will give us 9.2196. Y will be equals to 18Y. So what do we do now? We collect like terms. Let this one with Y go to the other side. So we'll be having 61.464 will be equals to 18Y. When this comes the other side, become minus 9.2196. So what it simply means is 61.464 will be equals to 18Y minus minus 9.2196Y. Okay, will give us 8.788, okay, 04Y. So to get Y, we can now make Y the subject of the formula. So Y will be equals to 61.464 divided by 8.78804. So by division, we get approximately 7. So Y is 7, which is the number of molecules of water or crystallization. It simply means that the compound is MgSO4.7H2O. So the Y is what? Is 7. That is the answer. Subscribe, okay, like and share my videos. Thank you.